Leya Oppo leya bo ngiyipressa ngale mpahla nali ibhathini lapha. Okay. I-recap nayo i-Redmi customer i-grand kusasa sishaya assembling siyaxhuma kusasa, as you can see nalesi screen lesi. I cannot press this button. Nginenkinga yokulipressa leli button. Let me try again. Okay, now asixhunyiwe, it's loose. Okay, one more now. There is one more now. Samsung A10 ebesingayithestanga, remember. Kwenzakaleni-ke la? Nginenkinga ye-pressing. Sibeke ifoni la. Try and press. Okay, nothing. Let's keep it charged. Size sasebenzisa uphindo wesitip to press the power button. It's a pity I couldn't show you guys. I forgot to record. But yeah, this is what I did. Only using this thing by shutting it up. Okay, let me zoom in. About these two pins that are missing, I joined them both. And then select on so that I can test the screen. And so that I can test the screen. African border. Let's see, African border. Screen brightness. The screen is working, guys, nicely. The only problem is that issue. If I return the buttons, reclaim them. Oh shit! If I reclaim them, I can switch it. I cannot switch it on. The button is not working.